Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're making Korean Hotteok again. This one is from a different brand than last time. Let's see if this Q1 homemade is better than Beksul's. There are two packages, one is dough and the other one is the sugar filling. It's called black rice and honey hotteok. Let's check out the instructions. Oh wait, looks like the English label is stuck right on the instructions. Nope, that's not gonna work. That's okay, this is supposed to be pretty simple to figure out. It says we'll need
170 milliliters of water, that's a touch less than 3/4 of a cup, oil, a round bowl, plastic gloves, we're just gonna use our bare hands though, small bowl, a spoon, fry pan, a spatula, or a hotteok press.
It says the level of difficulty is 2 out of 3 stars, which makes it sound kind of intimidating actually. It takes about 20 minutes. So from the pictures we can see, there's the bowl, then filling the dough with sugar, and then cooking it. So let's just get right to it then. Tip: if your hotteok has cooled down, just zap it in the microwave for 30 seconds to enjoy piping hot hotteok again. This box will make 8 hotteok sugar lava pancakes. You need a frying pan. Here's our bowl to make the dough, something to mix the dough batter, and cooking oil. This is not a lot of water at all. I was surprised at how dry the batter turned out, but it held together. Spoiler alert, I like the Beksul mix better taste-wise. Oh, and this one doesn't have yeast. Oil your hands well, because if you saw our other hotteok video, the dough will easily stick to your hands. Although, because this one didn't have yeast, it wasn't as sticky. But because the dough turned out kind of dry, it helps keep the dough wet with very well-oiled hands. Portion it out to 8 pieces of dough. Easy peasy. Now it's time for the yummy sugar. I would like to let you know they give you plenty of sugar. Please don't feel obligated to use all of it like Oppa tries to do, because it just won't work out very well, as you'll soon see for yourself.
Okay, big fail. Biggest fail ever. Oh my god.
You put too much. Oh my god.
Okay, fail number 1.
So that can happen. It's important to pinch the dough closed because you need to press it down when you cook it, and if there are any openings, sugar will spill up onto the hot pan. And everybody knows burnt sugar in a pan is like the worst. So yeah, don't do what just happened there. Some tips: use plenty of oil, spread the dough out as much as possible without it getting too thin, use sugar sparingly, and pinch it closed really well. Personally, I think it's pretty forgiving. I mean, even the first one, Oppa was able to eventually get it closed. So if you overfill it, as long as the dough surrounds the sugar eventually, that's fine. Finally, it's all done. Let's cook it so we can eat. Yes! We turned the heat to high, but looking back, I think we would have done better at a medium heat. Oil the pan well and wait for the pan to heat up. So some of them are coming apart. I say just pinch that sucker all over and make it work.
That's not how you do it, but...
Why? Why? It works. Whatever works, right?
Whatever works.
Now you have to press it flat. These are supposed to have a crispy crust and then just hot, chewy inside with melted sugar. So the trick is to press it as much as possible, but gently, because you don't want to press so hard the sugar seeps out. Don't worry, there is a demonstration of that happening a little later.
kind of similar.
In Korea, this is a very popular street food, and they will thoughtfully give it to you in a paper cup like this so you don't burn your hands or get your hands oily. And if sugar starts seeping out the bottom, you won't get it all over yourself. A very good system. It's really, really good on a cold winter day, but come on, who are we kidding? Melted sugar? Tasty on any day. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.